Hello dear customer, this is Evan from QLQ company. Today in this video, I will show to you how we can operate our disc machine, the automatic slider mounting and zipper cutting machine with the marking function. Before we start in this machine, the most important thing is that we need to ensure everything is connected well. For example, the air pipe, the electricity, and also the zipper and slider will start this machine successfully, and then you can try to start this machine. The first step is that we need to set up some date in our disc PLC. The first one is the order quantity. That means how many pieces you want to produce. For example, now I already set the 5,000 pieces, and this is the actual quantity, and this is the quantity per bag. For example, if you want to make 100 pieces per bag, then you can enter 100, and if you want to make the 200 pieces per bag, then you can enter the 200. Okay, so the next one is the parameter set. We click this one, and the password of this one is the 6A. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then enter, and then we next page. In this page, you can see here has the line drawing parameters. We click, and here have the totally 4 position. You see, because in our disc zipper, if you want to make 4 positions mark, and then you can set up 4. And if you want to make 2 position mark, and then you just set up 2. Okay, so it depends on how many marks you want to make. And now in our disc PLC, I already set 1 2 3 4, totally 4 position. Okay, and also the length of the position you can set it by yourself. For example, the first one is the 35 and 20 and 25 28. So this is the position we need to set. And after we set up this one, we need to come into the home page, and also the zipper length. The zipper length you want to make. For example, this zipper length I want to make is 150 cm, and then I can set up this date. And after we set up this date, and then we can try to start this machine. So now I already set all this date. So now let me start this machine. I just need to press this start button. So now this machine working. You see in here we have the mark pen, and it will make a mark according to the date just now you set. So now let's checking the result. You see, 1 2 3 4, and there are totally 4 marks, and the length is 150 cm. And you see, the running situation is very smooth and stable. If you want to stop this machine, you just need to press the pause button. So after this machine finish this bit, it will stop. So now you see, this is the zipper we already test. It is very smooth. Because the zipper we put on our ground, so it is a little dirty. So don't care, okay? We just check the mark. Actually, after we measuring, the mark is same as the date we set in our PLC.
Hello, my friend. When you're using our disc machine,
the slider mode of our disc machine for you. You see, actually our disc machine, the single size just can use for one machine. That means one size, one machine. And this machine cannot common use, okay? And for the slider, it is also the same. If your slider, let me take a slider for you. If the slider body base, the size of the slider body base is same, and the puller is different, and then it can use in this slider mode. But for example, this one is number 5, and if you want to use another number 5, but the size of the slider base is different, you need to change the slider mode. Okay, so this is very important things. So don't use the another size of the slider body to common use in this slider body mode, and otherwise it will broken this slider body mode. It is very important. So my friend, this is a video of how we can operate our disc machine, and I hope this video can helpful for you. And if you want to know more details of this new machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.